Good morning. Welcome to Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. This is our 2018 18-foot Grady-White center console. Powered by 150 Yamaha 4-stroke. It's Grady-White. Has seating in front of the helm. Rod holder storage next to the helm, both sides. Has flip seat, cooler under it. Controls, plenty of room for electronics. There's the seats in the back. This particular boat has a swim platform with the boarding ladder. Does have tilt steering wheel. Yamaha gauges, storage under the console, anchor locker up forward. This boat's here at Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Out front, undercover. Come by, see her, say hello. Thank you.